Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video tutorial that will provide you with help to get rid of the browser hijacking extension called Cinema Buzz. Cinema Buzz is a browser hijacking extension attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This particular extension basically operates as a browser hijacker. It changes the default search engine settings without the user's permission or approval. So if this Cinema Buzz was somehow installed to your computer, of course you need to get rid of this extension immediately. To remove it, access the menu, go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and then if you find this Cinema Buzz, remove it from the list. Finally, I recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button. The software is available for all popular operating systems. So download it, install it, and then start carefully investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.